How to cut bucket art is what we are learning today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make simple and standard bucket art. A lot of people love this Ankara bucket art because it is very comfortable and easy to wear. And for you as a fashion designer, it is very easy to make, even if you are a beginner. Before we start, do well to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, because this encourages me more to give you unique and trendy tutorial on this channel. Let's get into the tutorial now. Like I said, there's no pattern needed for this bucket art. Well, I just have to use this pattern paper for clarity, for you to see what I'm going to mark clearly. So now, the wideness or the measurement of the fabric should be 21 by 21 inches. Secondly, you have to apply your interface on both your fabric and the lining or the inner fabric before you cut out the shape. After applying your interface, then you are going to fold it into 4. So after folding, you are going to mark 10.5 rotationally from this point. You are going to open it up, then you are going to fold it into 3. This semicircle, try and fold it into 3. You can see. Then you turn it like this. So you try to balance the size. So now the midpoint, you are going to locate the midpoint. So this is my midpoint. So you can see now, from here to here, you are going to measure 3.5. You measure 3.5. Then you are going to proceed and measure 3 inches this way. And here, you are going to measure 1.5 quarter here, and you measure 1.5 quarter here. On the down part here, you are going to measure 2 inches. 2 inches. And here, you have to measure 2 inches on this side as well. So you are going to connect all the points together. So this, you are going to cut the space here out. Then we proceed to joining. So this is what we have. Like I said, you can draw it directly on your fabric. So with this one now, this is general sizing. This now is what we are going to use to cut out your main fabric and the inner fabric. For reversible, you are going to apply interface on both sides of the fabric, both the inner one and the main fabric. So the next thing we are going to do now is to close all these spaces. So we are going to sew it, and we are going to sew the inner one as well. Before joining both together, we are going to iron it out. And after ironing, you have to notch all these joinings on both the main fabric and the inner of the bucket art. So at this point, if you are here to like this video, make sure you click that like button, and also subscribe to this channel for more unique tutorial coming your way. Now, second to the last step, you are going to join both together. You are going to do so by placing them right side facing each other. So you are going to join it round, but make sure you leave your opening space. So you are going to leave some opening space here where you are going to pull it out. Now the last thing we are going to do is to stop stitch around this art. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so, and also let's take the like of this video to 1 million. Thank you.